Today, I'm making classic French hot ham and cheese sandwiches. When this sandwich is served without an egg, it is called a croque monsieur. But when you top it with a fried egg, it becomes a croque madame. So using the same basic recipe, you can easily make two different French sandwiches. Croque monsieur and croque madame are traditionally made with Gruyère or Emmental cheese, good quality ham, and a creamy béchamel sauce. The sandwiches are baked until the cheese is melted, bubbling, and beautifully golden. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. Here, you'll find delicious recipes that you can easily prepare in your own kitchen. As always, you can find the complete list of ingredients and measurements in the video description. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you. Let's get started. First, I'll need 4 slices of white artisan bread because I'm making 2 sandwiches today. Place the bread in a toaster or under the broiler and toast it very lightly. While the bread is toasting, I'll prepare the cheese. I'll slice about 6 ounces of Gruyère cheese and grate approximately 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Since I already have the grater out, I'll also grate just a small amount of fresh nutmeg. You only need a dash because nutmeg has a strong flavor. Now, let's make the béchamel sauce. Melt about 1/4 of a stick or 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Whisk the butter and flour together and cook, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes. This removes the raw flour taste and creates the base for our sauce. Gradually pour in 1 cup of whole milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Continue cooking and stirring until the mixture becomes smooth and thickens into a creamy sauce. Season it with half a teaspoon of salt, a dash of freshly grated nutmeg, and some freshly crushed black pepper to taste. In France, white pepper is often used for bechamel sauce because it blends into the sauce without leaving dark specks. I don't have white pepper today, so I'm substituting it with black pepper. Mix everything well, remove the sauce from the heat, and set it aside. Now, let's assemble the sandwiches. Here I have my 4 slices of lightly toasted bread. Spread each slice with a layer of bechamel sauce, making sure to spread it all the way to the edges. Next, place a generous handful of Gruyère cheese on each slice. Spread approximately half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard over the cheese on each slice. The Dijon mustard adds a sharp, tangy flavor that works perfectly with the rich cheese and creamy sauce. Now add about 5 ounces of good quality sliced ham. I'm using approximately 8 slices of ham or 2 slices for each piece of bread. Place 2 prepared slices together with the ham and cheese facing inward to create the sandwiches. Spread the remaining bechamel sauce generously over the tops of the sandwiches and sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese over the bechamel. Bake the sandwiches at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 5 to 6 minutes, or until the cheese inside is completely melted and the sauce on top is hot and bubbling. While the sandwiches are baking, I'll prepare the eggs. Melt 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Crack 2 eggs into the pan, keeping them separated, and fry them until the whites are completely cooked but the yolks are still soft and runny. Once the sandwiches are ready, you have 2 choices. You can serve them exactly as they are. Without an egg, this sandwich is called a croque monsieur. Or you can place a fried egg on top of each sandwich. Once the egg is added, the sandwich becomes a croque madame. The name is traditionally said to come from the egg on top resembling a woman's hat. The creamy béchamel, melted Gruyère, salty ham, tangy Dijon mustard, and rich egg yolk make this an incredibly satisfying sandwich. Serve your croque monsieur or croque madame immediately while the bread is crisp, the cheese is melted, and everything is still hot. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching Cooking Show at Home. I hope you enjoyed this classic French croque monsieur and croque madame recipe. Please let me know in the comments which version you prefer, the croque monsieur without an egg or the croque madame topped with a fried egg. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious